So I bought a bike from Facebook Marketplace. It's a Lex Moto 125. And today I'm gonna fit nitrous to it. But first there's a problem. It doesn't start. So there's no spark going to the spark plug. So I think the side stand sensor has gone on it. So we're gonna try and delete the side stand, figure out what the problem is. Once we fix the bike and it starts to run, we can then fit the nitrous kit, and then we can take it on its first voyage and see if the nitrous is any good. So let's load up, take it to Mikey's and see his reaction. I'm sure he's gonna love it. Like it?
Why, how the mighty have fallen.
Hey! It's that amazing make, Lex Moto, mate.
Oh, Lex Moto.
Mate, look how sturdy it is.
This is like confetti. Come off this, it's just gonna be...
So there's no spark going to the spark plug. Yeah, the side stand's got to be up for it to turn on, but I'm thinking maybe something with a kill switch. Maybe. What's the retail on one of those? More than you can afford, pal. Lex Moto! Well, what's so wrong with that?
Well, it should be like a click or something like that.
Maybe it is that.
Sounds like it's more crackling rather than a click.
I'd love to know what you're doing right now. We got a spark! So tell everyone what you did, and me.
Stuck off some shit you need.
So you disconnected this side stand?
Yeah. Let's see if it starts.
Oh, moment of truth.
You legend!
Hey! Do you know what we can do now?
Nitro, baby!
Let me show you the kit. All the way from the USA. Nitrous, baby. So we'll open that. That's the switch. You click in the top button. That's your switch.
I mean...
Just got to find out where the airbox is and that. So this NOS kit was £110 off eBay. Sent from America, so quite excited to see if it works. I don't know, do you reckon it'll work?
I've got two choices.
I thought it would spray straight into the car, but it's going to the air fillers, so it's kind of like an easy start. So you got to have good friends when you got stuff to fit to your bike, because they just do it for you. I just stand here and film. Don't say you don't love it. Look at it.
I'm trying not to, it's fine.
Where's the airbox?
Where's the air filter? Don't know. Just don't know, guys.
So, we're thinking this can go here. Or over there. This can go here. And then we'll run the pipe down through here, back to the airbox. Sound good? Maybe. What does it say?
If you want a bigger purge,
Drill it.
make the hole bigger for this.
I know what you're thinking.
Drill the shit out of it.
Does it need to face this? To go straight in?
Yeah, that's about there is perfect, isn't it? That's what I'm thinking.
Start drilling wherever. We're getting nitrous, baby. It's quite clean. Apart from all the cobwebs, but it's good. So excited to fit nitrous. Nitrous on a moped. My nitrous bottles have turned up. Yeah, it's just got to aim straight in there.
You want it like right there. But the trouble is, it's not gonna.
You want it direct, don't you?
Like, to give it the best chance of actually.
So we're going to drill the pipe.
Yeah, you just got
Like here?
To the. What do you want it in the top, do you?
Oh, wherever. Well, you can put it right by the car if you want.
You could put it right.
I mean, extra power. Might as well blow her up. You can sit on the front.
Oh my god.
Are you drilling? You seem very excited about it. Mate, it's looking very professional. Look at that. Oh. NOS, baby. Is that going to give us more power?
Some might say.
Right, moment of truth. Let's have a look. Whoa. And from then, just fitting the nitrous to now riding it. I'm going to try and find a nice bit of straight road where we can really put the nitrous to the test. The weather is not that great, so hopefully the nitrous isn't that powerful that it shoots me off into a hedge. But we just need to try and find a nice flat bit of road. I'm really excited about it. I'm not expecting that much because it's just a cheap little mod, but it's nitrous and the novelty itself is just insane. Ah no, we got a headwind. I don't want a headwind, I need a tailwind. Well, let me know in the comment section below if you think this is actually going to be a big difference or not much difference at all. I mean, I'm really excited about it. Really excited about it. It's nitrous on a moped. I mean, come on. People always say you should grow up. You should never grow up. Your body might age, but your mind, keep it young, boys. Okay, we found a nice bit of straight road. It's got a bit of a kink in it, but I remember this road. This is where I did my top speed test years and years ago on my Honda. And yeah, this should be pretty good. Let me just show you how this nitrous system works. So obviously, I have a pocket full of nitrous bottles. Ta-da! I'm not even sure if it's nitrous in these things. But anyway, this is what we do. Right, we take this off. Take the nitrous out of the clip. Like so. We unscrew the top. Okay. So we put a nitrous bottle in. Which way does that go? Facing up. Okay. Screw it on. Okay, it's on. Put that back in there, and there she goes. Now all I have to do is push that button and we'll get full nitrous. Now I'm not sure if this is going to work. I found a nice bit of straight road. I've got a tailwind, which is going to be good. The Lexmo is not the fastest bike in the world. It's a 125, it literally feels like a 25. It is so slow at getting off the mark. Let me just give you a quick run around of the bike. So there she is in all her glory. It's actually a good looking bike, to be fair, whatever you want to think about bikes, but yeah, I mean, it's in good nick. So the moment of truth, we're going to put a helmet on, put my gloves on. I'm going to get up to speed. I'm not sure, it says to use full throttle before you use the nitrous, but I'm not sure if I'm just going to maybe, well, I don't think I'm going to use it from the start line because it'll probably flood the bike, but and then we'll just give it a go, get to full throttle, press it, hold it, see what happens. Wish me luck. Fuel's nearly on empty as well, but where we put the nitrous is quite far up in the carb, so I'm not sure if it's going to put too much in that it will just kind of bog it out. But I guess all trial and error, just to see, you know, how good you can buy a nitrous kit from eBay. I hope it's really good. I want this to be absolutely spectacular. Right. Oh, she purrs. Mirrors. Okay. Lord, make this nitrous be amazing. I have loads of bottles of it, so if it doesn't quite work, we can go again. Okay. Alright, let's go. Hopefully there's no cars coming. Okay, get a finger on the button. Get some speed going. Don't know if you can hear the engine, but I'm going to press it when we get right down here, full throttle. Keep going, keep going. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Right, amateur mistake, it didn't pierce the NOS ball. For God's sake. Okay. Oh my god. Try it again. Right, nothing coming. Alright, let's go up to full speed. Finger on the button. Okay. Please be good. Two, one. Whoa! Oh, come on, baby! I didn't expect it to be, like, it didn't last very long, because those balls probably don't last very long, but as soon as I press it, yes, come on! Nitrous moped! Happiest man alive. There we have it. The nitrous powered moped is a success. As soon as you clicked on this video, the YouTube algorithm thinks you like the next video. So click on that and I'll see you on the next one.